Hello everybody, my name is Doomslayer, and welcome to the new Subway Surfers season, Winter Wonderland. So I'm just gonna go through and just point out anything new that I come across. And this isn't the first time playing the new season, so I already know a few things. So, obviously, there's snow now on the ground. We're no longer in Iceland, which I was kind of confused about. For a little bit of context, I was trying to see if there was a, there's those, instead of the leaf tokens, or not the leaf tokens, the ice tokens, there are now those snowflakes, which is pretty interesting, if you ask me. So pretty much everything's covered with snow, and there are a few trains that I either didn't realize were there, or just didn't care enough to see before basically just today. I cannot express to you for how long I thought that part was just straight up impossible. Yeah, shout out to anybody who uses the leaf board. Personally, for not being around in the mobile version for too long, my favorite board. It has its flaws, that's for sure, but there's also several useful things about it. Well, basically just the fact that it can cover, which I already saw that there's a new winter / Christmas seasonal board that does the same. So I think that's kind of fucking stupid. But I'm not the boss. Oh. Why don't boards just have like an infinite time span? Seriously, me and my cousins and friends, whoever plays Subway Surfers, have always wondered, why aren't they infinite? Like, your normal surfboard does wear down, but it takes way longer. And that's from hitting the ground. They're freaking hoverboards. Think you can get me? Nah. Oh my god, I'm so sick of it. Oh, I thought I would go on top of it, but that was an interesting looking glitch. My voice is deeper. I think you guys it may be harder to hear how it is now. But currently right now, it's a kind of dumb idea to be recording a video. Oh wow, I was so close to clutching that. Oh, revive that. I haven't seen any of the new cool things yet. But yeah, there's new trains, new boards, you could basically just call it texture. Oh, this is such a perfect combo. Don't walk out. It worked. So yeah, now there's there's a snowflake as the token thingy, whatever you call it now. and pretty much you'll get a pretty big prize if you collect these like special ornament thingies that go on like this. It's like tree thingy. I don't really know. It's really freaking confusion. Yeah, there's also the new kind. These like ruby ones. They're pretty cool. And thank you for the for how the last short has gone. Yeah, that for your information, that snowman was about 5'5", give or take, which is pretty big for a snowman. Easily the biggest snowman I've ever made. But I simply decided at the last minute, hey, I can make a YouTube video out of this. So give me please leave in the comments down below, you know, what you think, and what next video should I make? Do you guys want to see more of something? Do you want to see more Solar Smash? That type of thing. Yeah, thank you for how many views the Subway Surfers, the second Subway Surfers video got. Like, goddamn. Like, yeah, I did make the third one, but nobody really cares about that one. That's like, think about it, like, it's like the food theory of the theorists. Oh, it was right there. I hate it when that happens. 'Cause it's so close, but it's so far. Seriously, I love this combination. Seriously, put this in one of those edit videos. This is the real best duo. I don't want to hear no Scooby and Shaggy. Hell, not even like Sleepy and Zola. This is the best duo. Well, it was the best duo. Random talk. What do you think is better? You know, just to see what my audience thinks. What is better? Out of these two mobile games, Subway Surfers or Granny? Personally, I'm too much of a wuss to play Granny, but I'd say Granny. But Subway Surfers, actually not Subway Surfers. I've played more Subway Surfers, but that's because it's extremely tied in my book. Isn't it crazy how like phone works in general? Like nobody appreciates it, but phones are so incredible. But seriously, they're incredibly incredible. Chat. I'm cooking. Worth it. Oh my god. That was so unfortunate. Whatever. No, it's not here. It's not at my doorstep right now. Stop capping, little bell. Oh damn, turn down. Okay, that's a bit better. Turns it down to nothing. See, this is the cookie thing I was talking about. Because you use that on your Christmas tree. You see, it filled up more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.